All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to color match your photo to your drawing. So you first should have downloaded the ColorPick Eyedropper extension from the Chrome store. It should appear in your web browser to the right of your search bar and to the left of your profile icon. You're going to open up your Google Drawing, click that icon, and crosshairs will appear that will sample the hex number of the color which your crosshairs are pointing to. So I'm going to sample a color from my cheek. When I click, it will give me that hex number. I'm going to Control C to copy that number. And then I'm going to close that window. I'm going to select that shape. I'm going to click on the paint bucket icon in the top of my toolbar, and I'm going to choose custom. Here, I'm going to Control V to paste that hex code in and hit OK. Now it will have filled my shape with the color that it sampled. I can do the same thing a couple times just to demonstrate. Remember that in this order, you're going to want to go in a reverse of what you did for drawing shapes. You're going to want to go smallest to biggest. So I'm going to make sure I bring that back to transparent so I can go back to sample the color within this smaller shape that is overlapping. So again, I'm going to click the crosshairs or the ColorPick Eyedropper extension. I'm going to bring it in to that shape. I'm going to sample the skin tone there. Control C to copy that hex code. X out of my ColorPick Eyedropper. Using my mouse or select tool, I'm going to click that shape, choose the paintbrush, choose custom, Control V to paste, hit OK, and then it has filled the shape. Now I can go back to the bigger shape and fill that with the second custom one that I sampled earlier. So again, in the example of my eye, I have two shapes here. You'll have more than that, hopefully, so that you have some color to your eyes. I'm going to want to fill the smaller shape first, which is my pupil. So I'm going to go to my ColorPick Eyedropper, bring the crosshairs over, sample, Control C. I'm going to click away and I'm going to see if I can close that. Click onto the pupil, choose the paint bucket, choose custom, Control V to paste, hit OK, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the whites of my eyes. It's important to note that even though we know what white looks like, we don't want to pick this clear, pure titanium white for the whites of our eyes or our teeth because it's going to look unnatural. So we're still going to want to use that ColorPick Eyedropper tool to sample, Control C to copy, select the shape, the paint bucket, custom, and Control V to paste. And that is how you're going to be filling the colors in for all of your shapes. Make sure to go from smallest shape to largest shape to save you some trouble later.